Shit. All this, can you imagine? All this sweat. Between the paper wrap and this one, which one do you prefer?
I prefer this one
because it makes you sweat more.
Because you remember, there's a time I used the paper wrap, it didn't work for me as much
like
as
you
this
didn't,
one.
You didn't sweat that much.
I didn't sweat that much, but this one really makes me sweat.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own sweat belt. I know you've seen so many reviews on YouTube and advertisements on Instagram on sweat belts and how they work. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make yours at home. Okay, so what you need for this tutorial is a band, an elastic band, and this is the band that I'm going to use. I've actually introduced this band to you before. It's 4 inches, so make sure your band is as big as this one or even bigger than this one. So this is 4 inches. I also have this type, so there are so many types and so many sizes of bands. This is 1 inch. This one I use it for my wigs, this one. So don't go for this small one, make sure it's as big as this one. 4 inches. Okay, I'll put an Amazon link in the description box down below just in case you want to order yours. Okay, and then you also need a Velcro. So this is the Velcro that I'm going to use. This one is 2 inches. On my previous video, I used 1. So the bigger the Velcro, the better. So make sure your Velcro is big. Okay. I'll also put a link for this Velcro. So the next thing you need is the leather fabric. You can get this fabric from any textile shop around you as well, or any shop where they sell drying canvas, Tandarua, okay, or they sell tents. You can get yours there. So I'll also put an Amazon link in case you want to order it from online or from Amazon. I'll put an Amazon link in the description box down below as well. I have a black one, I have a red one, and also I have a thicker one. I have this one. I've used this on one of my videos as well. I used it to make this belt, to make this. Okay, so that's all you need. A band 4 inches or more, Velcro 2 inches or more, and what else? A leather fabric. There are so many other sweat products that you can get online. Like for me, I bought this one from, I think it was AliExpress or Amazon last year. This one, according to most of the reviews, some people say it works, some people say it doesn't work, but to be honest, for me it worked. Like this thing makes you sweat, like you sweat. It's like a sweat shirt, yeah. And then I also bought this short. They're just the same like this vest. The materials are the same, but this one is kind of thicker, so it makes you sweat more. I got her this short and I got them from a second-hand shop. It was still new because it still had a tag, so I assumed it was still new. And to be honest guys, like these shorts can make you sweat. You can get these shorts from Amazon. They're called sauna sweat shorts and they're very comfortable. So I'll try and get an Amazon link for you and put it in the description box down below just in case you're interested. Okay, so let me just show you how you're supposed to measure and make the belt. So this is how you're going to measure it. Wrap around your tummy like this, and then I'm going to cut 2 pieces. If you have a bigger tummy, then you have to cut 3 pieces. Here are my 2 pieces, so I'm going to sew them together. If you have a bigger tummy, then you have to cut 3 pieces so that it covers your entire tummy. I've already sewn them together, and as you can see, they still stretch even after sewing them together. So the next step is to sew a Velcro on them. So I'm going to mark where I'm supposed to sew my Velcro and then sew the Velcro on it. So this is my new belt. So the next step is to sew the leather on it to make the sweat belt, and I'm going to measure my tummy first. So my tummy is 29 inches, but then I'm going to cut 30 inches just to give it that allowance after I sew it on the belt. This is the leather fabric that I'm going to use. It's 7 by 30 inches. So mark where you're going to sew the leather on the belt. I already sewn the leather on the belt, and this is how it looks. So guys, this is our new sweat belt, and make sure you sew it where you marked. So like even if you have this shape, when you stretch the belt, it's going to fit, like the length is going to be the same. So the next step is to wrap it around your tummy and work out. So you really don't have to wear this when you're working out, like when you're going to the gym. You can wear this when you're just in the house doing the house chores, or when you're strolling, you'll still sweat. This belt is also portable. You can carry it in your handbag, like it's very light and small. If you don't want to sew the belt, you can sew the leather on your corset or on your waist trainer, and it still works. So you don't have even to make the belt. I'll put the links for all the products that I've used today in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. And now let me show you some clips where we wore the belts and worked out in sweat.
Yeah.
And how do you feel about it? Has it helped you?
It really works. I like it.
And do you prefer between the paper wrap and this one? Which one do you prefer?
I prefer this one actually,
because it makes you sweat more.
Because you remember, there's a time I used the paper wrap. It didn't work for me as much
like
as
you
this
didn't
one.
you didn't sweat that much.
I didn't sweat that much, but this one really makes me sweat. And you're gonna see that today.
Yeah, so guys, actually my sister wanted something that would just make her sweat, and she was researching online if she could get something that will make her like sweat. There's a vest I introduced to you from Amazon. Yeah. She didn't like it because it didn't make her sweat that much. So after I wrapped this around my tummy and she saw the results, she really loved it.
Oh my god.
And then you also have to watch what you eat.
Yeah. I've also been trying not to eat a lot of carbohydrates.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me.
Hey, shit. Oh my god, sweat.
All this, can you imagine? All this is sweat.
Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. can get away with it. 'Cause you
When you come to wraps, I won't say that is something that is permanent. That is something that is temporary, unless if you just make it a routine, unless you do it often. So like now when I dance or when I work out and then I sweat and then I decide for the next 1 week I'm not going to do this anymore, like the weight is just going to come back, the inches are going to come back. So this is something that you do, but then you have to make it a routine for you to see permanent results. Every day I'm just learning and coming up with new method and new hacks, you know, to lose weight, to get in shape. And like this is one of the hacks that I'm so impressed with. Yeah, so this one worked for me and I am so impressed. So guys, if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video, guys, and remember to share this video. Bye, love you.
'Cause you make me love my imperfections. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition?